All right, guys, here is the playground breakdown for ChatGPT on iOS shortcuts. So, for example, this is the continuous loop one, AI Playground 3,
How can I help you?
3 programming languages.
On it. 1. Python. Python is a popular and powerful general-purpose programming language. It is known for its clear syntax, ease of use, and vast community support. 2. Java. Java is a high-level programming language that has been in use for over 2 decades. It is known for its write once, run anywhere approach, thanks to its virtual machine environment. 3. JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language that is used to add dynamic functionality to web pages. It is a client-side language, meaning that it is executed on the client's browser rather than on the server. What would you like to do next?
Make the list 5, no descriptions.
1. C++. 2. HTML3. Ruby. 4. Swift. 5. PHP. What would you like to do next?
That is all. Thank you. All right, so here's the breakdown for the one here. So AI Playground ChatGPT is the one with the link you'll find in the comments below. So basically enter your API key here. Once your API key is in, you should be able to run, plug and play. Basically, this is the breakdown of how the shortcut runs. So it's an if statement here, basically looking for previous messages. If there are any previous messages, it's going to basically stack those on top of your current one, which is going to ask you, what would you like to do next, right? Your role as user, content is your current query. And then it's going to pass that down to the model, the object, and then it's going to run the API and then get you your response. So on this one, guys, it doesn't have the menu options from the other shortcut that I've demonstrated already, where you're able to copy, text, send messages, email, etc. Because that would all be custom to you and your needs. I don't even use that stuff. It's just basically to demonstrate what's possible. You can add things to calendar. You can even ask ChatGPT about your current location. If you feed it your current location, it'll actually work really well at telling you what's there to do. For example, if you're bored, in comparison with Siri, which just pulls up a bunch of links. I think they dumped Siri down significantly after some event or something, because Siri definitely sucks. But basically, it'll store your prompt and message, pass it into a new variable called messages, which then feeds into the same shortcut, and then the shortcut starts all over. Okay, and that's how this one works. You'll find the link for the playground on the comments below. If you guys have any questions, just let me know.